Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your Mercedes Vito, 1996 to 2003? Wondering which fuse controls what in your van? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Understeering column fuse box. The understeering column fuse box in the Mercedes-Benz Vito, 1996 to 2003, controls and protects circuits for key functions like lights, indicators, wipers, and dashboard electronics. Under the instrument panel fuse box. Under the instrument panel fuse box in the Mercedes-Benz Vito, 1996 to 2003, protects and distributes power to interior electronics such as lighting, the radio, and climate control systems. Under driver's seat fuse box. The fuse box under the driver's seat in the Mercedes-Benz Vito, 1996 to 2003, manages circuits for major systems like the fuel pump, ABS, heating, and other high-power or auxiliary components. The relay box under the driver's seat in the Mercedes-Benz Vito, 1996 to 2003, controls high-power components like the heater blower through electrical relays.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low-profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, Locate the fuse box. Identify the faulty fuse. Remove the faulty fuse. Inspect and obtain a replacement. Install the new fuse. Test the replacement. Safety precautions. Disconnect the battery. Wear protective gear. Use proper tools. Check for correct amperage. Avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.